Have you ever felt like it's taking longer than you'd like to grow your wealth? You're not alone. Many successful investors, like Charlie Munger of Berkshire Hathaway, believe that the first $100,000 is the hardest to accumulate. But once you reach that milestone, it becomes easier to build upon it. In fact, many people find that it takes a fraction of the time to reach the second million compared to the first. So why does it get easier? In this video, we'll explore the reasons why it takes a disproportionate amount of time to reach the $100,000 mark and discuss some strategies you can use to speed up the process and become wealthy years sooner. Welcome to Budget Boosters, where we make finance simple and easy to understand. Our goal is to provide you with easy finance tips to help you improve your financial future. Whether you're interested in personal finance, investing, or just wanted to learn more about money, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's work together to boost your budget and take control of your financial future. Have you been putting off investing because you don't have enough money or you're afraid of risk? You're not alone. Many people feel the same way and end up pushing investing to the back burner. But the truth is, you don't need a lot of money to start investing, and taking on some risk can actually pay off in the long run. One reason it's hard to get started is because it's hard to see progress when you're just starting out. For example, if you invest $5,000 and earn a 10% return in 1 year, that's only $500, which may not seem like much. But as your portfolio grows, the returns in dollar amounts become much larger. For example, if you have a $100,000 portfolio and earn a 10% return, that's $10,000. And if you have a $1 million portfolio, a 10% return is $100,000. That's a significant amount and can be very motivating. Another reason it gets easier is because as you become wealthier, you have more options. For example, you may have the opportunity to take a higher-paying job with more room for advancement, but the pay is uncertain. If you have a solid savings, you may feel more comfortable taking that risk. Or maybe you've always wanted to start a business but never had the capital. With $100,000 in savings, you have a safety net to fall back on. Reaching the $100,000 mark requires discipline and dedication. It's not easy and it won't happen overnight. One of the most important things you can do is to make your own contributions a priority. This means setting aside a portion of your income each month and investing it. It's also important to carefully consider your purchases and look for ways to cut costs wherever you can. Every dollar you save can be invested and has the potential to grow over time. In addition to making your own contributions, you can also take advantage of compound interest to accelerate your growth. Compound interest is the interest you earn on your principal, as well as the interest you earn on the interest. As your portfolio grows, the progress is extremely satisfying and can actually motivate you to grow it even faster. The returns you earn from compound interest can become significant. It's also important to carefully consider your purchases and look for ways to increase your income or earn better returns. For example, if you have a $100,000 portfolio earning a 10% return, that's $10,000 in the first year. If you earn the same 10% return in the second year, you'll earn another $10,000, but this time it will be on the $110,000, your original $100,000, plus the $10,000 you earned in the first year. And in the third year, you'll earn a return on $121,000, and so on. As you can see, the growth starts to accelerate as your portfolio gets larger. In addition to taking advantage of compound interest, you can also look for ways to increase your income or earn better returns. This might include negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or finding investments with higher potential returns. It's important to be mindful of the level of risk you're comfortable with and to diversify your investments to minimize risk. Reaching the $100,000 mark is a major milestone, and it's something to be proud of. The progress you make will be extremely satisfying and can actually motivate you to grow your wealth even faster. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. Take the first step and start investing today. It may be tough at first, but as you reach the $100,000 mark, it will get easier and the rewards will be well worth it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about finance, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple finance tips.